Right guys, welcome back. Part 2 on the Peugeot 208. Now I've just put this crash bar just resting there just to see if it's all lined up. And it is, so that's spot on. So that means the legs haven't moved. Now I've got the slam panel here, which I need to put in. But the AC obviously needs changing, but it's got gas in it still. So I'm just going to have to fit it all back together, how it normally goes. Take it somewhere, get the gas recovered, then take it all back off and change it. I feel like it's the only option because I can't get anyone to come out and do it, unfortunately. So I'll have to do that. But I'm just going to ignore it, put everything back together, and then get that changed later on. But it should be alright for a minute. These I've tampered with a little bit, messed about with them. So they should be about right, hopefully. But yeah, just put it on time lapse and start getting stuff put back together. Unfortunately, my phone died and I didn't realise, so there's not going to be any time lapse really of me putting this front back together. But I've got all this side in. I've got the locking mechanism on. Might need a change, I'm not sure. It does fit, but I'm not 100% sure on it because there's a little bent, so I might need to change that. Obviously the AC's in, which is going to be changed, but I can't do much about it at the moment, so I'll have to wait till the full thing's back together, take it somewhere, get them to ungas it or recover it, and then come back, change it out, and then get it regassed. So that's all sorted, slam panels in, everything lines up. Got the air duct in. Yeah, it's taking shape now. Still waiting on some parts, so just waiting game really. I ended up getting a new one of these because the old one was all bent up out of shape and I wasn't quite happy with it, so I tried to straighten it a bit, but I was like, fuck it, I'll just get a new one. So got a new one. There's 2 bolts at the back there that this bit connects to. Got a new one of them as well. So basically just need to put this on here. This goes around the front like so. Just line it up and then screw these in. There's 2 there, 2 there, 2 at the back. Right, so I've got all that screwed in. Just be careful not to over tighten them because I spent like 20 minutes drilling this one out because I over tightened it and it snapped. So I've just used this little ratchet just so I don't go crazy on it. Well, this is the old one now, so I took the little plastic cover off. I'm just going to remove this plastic clip there and then take these 2 bolts off. They're all 10mm. Take them 2 off and connect it up. Alright, so basically took the old one off. All you want to do, take that little plastic cover off, push that in there, push this little clip into there. That's it. And then when you pull the lever inside it, moves this around and it lets that slide down. So just put this little cover back on, and then just going to put these nuts back on. Alright, so I've got all that connected back up now. It's looking spot on. Got the bumper, that's all sorted. Put the new bits in. It just needs an upper grille, so I've put that in. I can't put the bumper on yet though because I need to put the headlights in. Can't put the headlights in yet though because I need to finish this wing, get that painted, so I'm going to do that next. So get that wing sorted, then when that's sorted we'll put the headlights in, then we'll put the bumper on, and we've got a bonnet coming as well, so we can get all that done. That might be in next video though. just to get a little update out for you guys. So we'll get on with painting that wing and see how that comes out. Alright, so I've got a new wing in, but just in prime now, so I need to paint it. So I'm going to give that a go. Hopefully it turns out alright. I got some paint here from the good old Alfords. It's the right paint, so see what it comes out like. There's the old one. So I'll compare it to that, but I'm just going to give it a couple. Well, I've got some tack cloth, so I'm going to wipe it all down, make sure nothing on it. These ones. And then got a nice mask. So paint this, give it a couple coats, see what it looks like, and hopefully it comes out alright. I'm not going to record it just because I might get paint on the camera and stuff, and you know, so I'll give it a go and see what it looks like. Alright, so I've put the first coat on. I've got the mask on, so it might be a little bit, sound a little weird, but put the first coat on here. I've no idea really what I'm doing, to be honest with you. So we'll see how this turns out, but I think it looks alright. I'm pretty sure I'm not meant to have like massive bits like patches, but it should be right. We'll see what happens. We'll put the second coat on now. It's been about 15 minutes, so we'll put that on and see what happens. Alright, that's the second coat on. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's still obviously patchy. Needs probably maybe one last coat, maybe another, maybe three. Probably 3 or 4 coats in total. You know, around the edges as well. Right, let's put this next coat on then. I've waited another 10 minutes. Alright, so I just got this panel all sorted. Now, it's got quite a bit of orange peel in it. I did try polish it and give it a sand, but I think I need to go a bit more. I need to do it a bit more to get it looking better, but I'm not too sure if the paint is a match anyways. It looks a little off. But it doesn't matter now anyway, because yeah, I've accidentally just opened the door into it, so that's no good. And I'm pretty sure the primer behind it, it's not even sticking to it, so looks like it needed redoing anyway. I assumed I could just use the primer that was already on it, but yeah, no, I can't, so I'm gonna take it off, sand it back, prime it, probably get some different paint, clear coat it again. But to be fair with you, it doesn't look too bad. I think I've done an alright job of it, to be fair. Apart from fucking it up, but oh well. Yeah. If you can see if it looks similar or not. I don't know if it's just because I need to sand and polish it and then it'll be alright, but I'm not sure. Yeah. The airbag kit, I've got all that. Seat belts, airbag ECU, dashboard, steering wheel. So I'm just waiting on that coming. But yeah, it's just taking its time. That's nice, that decent scratch along there as well. Yeah, so get that off and try to fix it. Bit of a shame really, but looks like it wasn't gonna hold anyway because it looks like it's just peeling off. Yeah, I don't think I should have probably sanded and primed it, but I thought the primer was fine on it. So this is my second attempt at sorting out this wing, and I've got some pretty decent paint this time. When I got it like specially made, but I don't think something hasn't went right. Again, see like these grey bits, I don't know, it's like dull. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know if I can just sand it and polish it. I've primed it, painted, no lacquer. I sanded the primer, then I sanded the paint. And yeah, look at that. I don't know what's... Like, the paint looks fine. But up there, I don't know what's... I put loads of coats of paint on, so I don't know why it's done that. Still needs sanded and painted. It's been lacquered now. It's still drying. So I'm not sure exactly what to do at this point. Got the bumper over there. But yeah, I've put the airbags and everything in. That'll be another video because of how long it took. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait till this dries, maybe sand it, polish it, see if it comes out okay, but I don't think it's gonna. So I might just put it on the car like this and then fit the rest of the car together and then just take it somewhere else to do it, because I've given it a go but it just doesn't seem to be coming out right. So it's a shame, but what can you do? I think I'll end the video here, and the next video will be putting the airbags and everything in, and then there'll be a final video just putting the bumper and headlights on, and I think that'll be about it really. Depending how long this video is, I might wait and get that done, but I kind of want to give you a little update on it, so I might just send this one out anyway. But yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see yous.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the